72.4 kgs, 37 inches waist at 5'5". That means I am a fat person. I am a fat loss coach. This appears like a bad thing, and it is, but for me, it's a blessing. Now I get to show you how my system works, because I'm going to use my own system for the next 12 weeks to go from my current physique to my goal physique. I am targeting at around 60 kgs at around 10 to 12 body fat percentage. My waist measurement will be at around 29 inches. That's the goal, and I need to get there in the next 12 weeks. This is very good for you because you get to watch and learn as I go through this process. I'm going to document everything. Every day, I'm going to be doing a short form video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts to show you what I'm doing daily. Then, one day per week, I'm going to be showing you my weekly progress, the decisions I make, and the reason why I made those decisions. This can be very useful to you if you take notes and you learn from it. Now, here is the game plan. I'm going to be consuming about 1500 to 1600 calories per day. In the past, I have gone as low as 1200, 1000 calories per day, and I got the results, but the journey was not bearable. You would be tired all the time, you don't want to move, you feel hunger, sex drive goes down. This time, I am not making that mistake. That's why I'm going for between 1500 and 1600 calories. I will not go below 1500. Sometimes I may, but that will not be intentional. My goal is to stay there for as long as I can while getting the results I want. So how do I manage to do this? Very simple. Number one, I keep my protein high. My protein will be around 120 grams. I know sometimes I'll go a bit lower, sometimes I'll go a bit up. No problem. That's not even an issue. Another thing that I'm going to be very serious with is my activity. Remember, instead of reducing my calories, I prefer to just increase my activity. That is going to help me eat more food and more calories. The secret sauce I'm going to use is 10,000 steps every day without fail. Every day I must walk for 10,000 steps. That is going to enable me to consume as many calories as 1500, 1600, and still lose fat without struggle. That's the goal. About carbohydrates and fats, I will not track those ones directly. The only thing I'm going to track is calories and protein. For carbs and fats, sometimes I can have more, sometimes I can have less. They'll be fluctuating. Sometimes more carbs, sometimes more fats. It doesn't really matter at the end of the day, as long as you're getting enough calories for your goal and enough protein for your goal. The carbs and fats can fluctuate. No need to take them very seriously. After working on that, the next thing that I need to take very seriously is my workouts. I'm going to be working out 3 times a day, and I'm going to be doing full body. The challenge I have is I have moved from a commercial gym to a hood gym. The issue with hood gyms is their weights are not marked, so you don't know how much you're lifting. But I'm going to find a way to work around that, because at the end of the day, if you want to lose fat, you must be in a negative energy balance, you must get enough protein, and you must get stronger. That means at the gym, you must get progressively stronger. And to achieve that, you need to track your workouts. For me, this will be a challenge because the weights are not marked, but no problem. I will find a solution. So that's a game plan. I'm going to use my own system to achieve these goals the same way I do with my clients. I want you to walk with me in this journey and witness it happen in real time.